Anyways, can see this all this one is running up very fast, very fast, very fast. And see even gold how is moving, how is moving upside, how is moving upside. Hmm? Even the Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is my target. Yes, this is Bitcoin, and you can see go and check this one. 12. 12. What is 2514? Let me badly share the change the what? Let me put like this 99 800 99 500. That is funny thing I closed this one with a stop loss, but at 6 what? 21 34. Here we go. And that was my stop loss. My take profit at all, it was 61 670. I I was going to make 30 USD. So this plus 30, 25 45. Ooh, but it has not really happened. So now the Bitcoin is rolling up. Let's see where it will end up. 99. My profit is 20. What is part of learning? My TP is 10 4,000. That will be 54. That's 54 USD. If it goes that way, then I'm going to go. You see now it is going 100,000 USD now. It is moving upside. Is what? Is what? Moving upside. 14, maybe 17, 16. You see gold is just continuing. Yes, continuation to the upside. And trust me, this one. Gold in tomorrow, that is tomorrow in Asian session, this market will reach 27.22. So it's not going there anytime soon. Now it's 15. Oh my god damn. Even if I just buy that one, what's wrong? And to put stop loss or take profit at 2020, that is 27.20, that is $9. These are good. Let's continue to the upside then. I think there's that possibility that it is going to continue to the upside then. For the gold, it is just the test, blah blah blah, and continue moving. Especially in the Asian session, we think gonna continue to the upside. Mm. You can see now it is 20, 25, 20. Let me just check the curve. How is the curve? Let's continue with the curve. Let me refresh this thing. Log in. The account progress. Progress, progress. Then 02, 15. Profit 16. That is a profit. Okay. I'm not consider that. But Bitcoin is, it says moving upside. You see how it is moving. La, 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 la. Look at this. 100,000. I'm not in a position just to go and walk and just have I have just to keep sitting and just to be watching, make my money and just leave. This is BTC. BTC is flying. Let me even adjust this one. 7, even 8. Even 8. 8. It's 12. Hey, wow. Okay, 520. Continuation. Then you can continue. You can just check on this one. Pound USD. USD. Our daily important frame. No one analyzed this market, but let's see. Yeah, Euro JPY at one. Hi, that's been moving upside. Audi card. Audi USD. Audi JPY. This is on the right side. USD JPY. Internet is very slow. That's 100. Pound Howdy. Otherwise, see you on the next video. So today this was my trades. You can see how it is running, how it is 25, 21. On this one, yes, I was on the right track because my TP was 21,670, which is this 670. That was my TP. This one was my TP. Since I bought it at 2150, 522, 522. So that is where I bought at this point 522. Such a place. And then I put us some stop loss. But I think the stop loss was too tight. Yeah, I could have made around $30. And that, there's no regret. There's always opportunities. Huh? Maybe tomorrow, day or tomorrow, get another opportunity and boom, I will still pass this account. This is, of course, it needs another kind of mindset. Another mindset to pass this one. You can see now how it is moving. How BTC is moving upside. Now it is 20, now it is 20, what? 21, not 10, 100,000 and what? And 600. 106, 646, 540 what? This 4 time frame is going to 1 hour. Then you can see how it is moving quite well. 841. And see continue checking these stop losses. So we can put 100,000. No, this is 100,000. One close na 14. But hapo kwa kifunga na 1 hivyo 1 ikifunga kwa bado profitable. Sio mbaya. And see how it is moving upside 21. So let me give it some time. Yeah.